my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, don't mind the back. The TV's in the back, but this is the best lighting right now. So in today's video, I'm gonna be testing out the PowerXL air fryer. I'm gonna be making some barbecue chicken wings from scratch. So if you guys would like to see that, make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. By the way, if I didn't say my name already, my name is Manifa, and welcome to my channel. So let's get into the video. So this is the PowerXL air fryer, and this is the meat that I'm going to be using. It's some wings. By the way, I don't eat meat all the time, but when I do decide to eat meat, it is the organic chicken, organic farm-raised chicken, because we all know that the stuff that they feed these meat, these fish, these animals is horrible, and when we eat them, we are polluting our body with the things that they eat. So I try to opt for more organic meats. Listen, I don't want nobody in the comment section telling me that I didn't put enough seasoning on the meat. This is why black people have high blood pressure right now. Thank God I don't have none. But I'm just saying, we love to season our meat real nice, which is great. But sometimes we just overdo it. So I feel like I put a little bit of seasoning due to the fact that I'm going to be adding the barbecue sauce anyways. So I feel like this is good enough. So don't come for me in the comment section. Just keep watching and thank you, okay? Okay, just quick disclaimer. I'm back at the same spot so I can taste the wings. Before you guys, give you guys a look at taste test, I'm gonna take out the ingredients, so it's just for aesthetic. Okay, here go a wing. Very crunchy, very flavorful. 10 out of 10. It's a little cold because I had it sitting out for a while, but yeah. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.